We are at the Donna Camilla Savelli Hotel in Rome in the Trastevere neighborhood. And this is our hotel room. So here's the bathroom. It has a stand-up shower, bidet, and toilet. Let's see, there's 2 drawers. Safe, it looks like a refrigerator. And a laundry bag. Demo chair. Looks like it might be a king-size bed, which is pretty nice for a European hotel. I don't think you'll find any modern things like USB ports or anything, but there are outlets to plug in your various items. So that's the hotel. That's the whole thing. Oh, and I'll show you our view, which we don't have the greatest view, but that's still kind of charming. Okay, that's it.